Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to math class today. First things first, remember to click the microphone button. Today, we are going to group and count. Remember the last couple days I've talked about finding a group of 10 and then counting on. That way you don't have to count every single item every single time. So we're going to practice that today. And the directions is color a group of 10 and count up to find the total number. Write the number in the circle. So I'm going to take my marker, and those buttons are a little small, so I'm going to take the medium size, and instead of coloring them, I'm just going to put a dot on them. 1, 2, remember I'm counting to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So right there is my group of 10. So I know that there's a 1 to begin because that's one group of 10, and then there are 1, 2 left over. So that means how many buttons are there? 12. I have my group of 10, 11, 12. I'm going to go back to my marker, make sure it's the same size, and I'm going to do that for the butterflies here. I'm going to find a group of 10 first and then count up to find the total number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's my group of 10. So I have one group of 10 and then 1, 2, 3 left over. So that's 10, 11, 12, 13. You're going to do that for the rest of the objects and then click the green check mark to send to your teacher.